Universal compatibility. Compatible with the iPhone SE, 2nd Gen, 11, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPad Pro, iPad Air, Air 2, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 4, iPad 4th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. New MFi-certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFi-certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed, supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. What you get. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Best budget iPhone cables. Bought 2 of these for my car. Best decision I had. Works very well with my fast charger.